Hey guys, do you like upgrading your own stuff with using minimal tools? Well, today I may have the right tutorial for you, because you will need only few items bought in the store or, well, maybe you have them at home already, and a sewing needle. That's pretty much minimalistic, so I'll show you what I did.
The Chicom rig is still a high quality product, but its only downside is its lack of actual useful pouches. The three main pouches for a magazine are still pretty good, but the ones on sides are not as versatile, and so I decided to replace them. As you might have noticed, the rig is also very oddly colored and got wider shoulder straps. I will speak about this in detail a little later in the video. I'll probably work some more on this rig, but this will have to do for the start. The pouches I use on this chest rig are US made flashbang pouches in Desert Free color camo. They cost almost nothing, about 35 crowns, which is $1.50. They are not the worst quality for the price, but in a good American army fashion there's something wrong with it. And the ones I got have their waterproof layer already deteriorating and are sticky on the inside, so I got to spend a lot of time cleaning them now. And this is the reason why I chose them. I live in the OG VZ58 country, and the rifle can be loaded using both magazines and clips. Each of these pouches can hold 3 clips, effectively increasing bullet carried on this vest from 90 to 210. These pouches fit an F1 grenade very nicely. Good thing I live in a country where we use Ukrainian training grenades for airsoft. And so it's a good idea to carry spare hearing protection like these Earmore M20T earplugs with sound amplification.
Kurva do piče, ty vole. Yeah, I think even untrained eye and even with my bad camera, you can see that all the white spots are mold. That one is really fast. Yeah.
So let us get back into the main topic. This is all the sewing you will be doing. You will need to remove the grenade pouches first, which I recommend doing by using a thread remover tool, which costs about $1. Here's why. The pouches themselves have interlinked sewing with the magazine pouches, and you want to be careful. The mole webbing you will be sewing on is not hard to create. Just get a nylon fabric tape with about 2 cm or 0.0 inches width and make sure you sew it on securely. And don't forget to replace the cut off thread on your mag pouches, so you don't leave a giant hole in your mag pouch. As my last upgrade for today, I recommend putting some sling covers on your shoulder straps. The ones I got are from Frontowiec for €8 a piece, and I'm sure you want them on your rig, especially if not worn over any ballistic vest. The sling covers mitigate the extra weight added to the rig by wearing extra 120 bullets on it.
All right, and it seems to be this the end for this video. I am Jeren from Forest Talker Brothers YouTube channel, and I want to thank you for sticking through the whole video. Now, most probably this is a part one because there is so much to do with Chicom rigs that I think I will just continue on doing something with this one. Well, I'll see you the next time. Bye.